Alright guys, we're back for another technical analysis for Bitcoin. And how are you guys doing? So let's cut to the chase. We want to go over some of the key, I guess, predictions that we made. The last time I made the video. Now, if you look at the weekly chart here, you see we have a target. Let's see what happens. Why did we have that target of 94K? The target just reached. So I believe if we did this flag right here, and the more accurate it is to do the candles, the bodies, not the wicks. So now the breakout is exactly that. Now, why is there another? Well, because we possibly had another target somewhere down here. Oh, actually, we could have taken this target here, this small, from this candle to this candle, because the smaller time frames can tell that. So yeah, we're exactly like that right now. So if we were to adjust this, it's gonna be not 94,314. Instead, it will be higher up. It's right here. So we reached the target of, let's say, somewhere like this. Well, we haven't actually reached then. Anyway, we can zoom in a little bit more to the 1 hour, and you can see that. Where is it? It's right here. 1 hour time frame. Oh, you can see we've reached it, right? So let's bring this bring this lower. So 94,797. The high is 94,796. So just $2 off. So we haven't made any new videos since our last one, which was, when was that? So let me just check. So the last one, it was a live, right? It was 6 days ago. I feel like it's time to do another one, because we're actually on the way to 100K, and my prediction was 113K, right? So we're not that far off. Now we just have to look if we are overbought in any areas. So taking a look at the weekly. The weekly is still okay. We haven't really curved down the Stokes yet. RSI is still okay. We have three green soldiers, or rather, yeah. So this week isn't over yet. Let me just get rid of these two for now. So far so good. We are, for at least the weekly. Now for the daily, what's going on with the daily? We broke this cement ascending triangle, and well, Stokes are curving, like the resetting, but price is still going up. So this is extremely bullish. Let me see if there is any bearish divergences. There is a little bearish divergence going from here to here, but it's sort of, you see, from here to here is a lower low, but then the price is higher. But the higher price just negated that. So if we have in this point here, we have a higher high. So there's no bearish divergence for the daily. Although we are quite far apart from the 21, I presume what we're going to happen is the price and 21 will eventually meet somewhere here, like December. Yeah, so daily is doing really good. RSI is a little too high, it's at 80. Now the 4 hour time frame. So we did close the gap. So you see let's delete these. The 21 the 21 moving average, if you look at it, look at this right now. From this point to this point, you see this gap closes, and that's what I'm talking about. So when that happens, the trend continues. If it doesn't break below, it did, this acted as support, strong support right here. So what I can see is there's this trend line everybody's talking about. Now this looks kind of like a falling wedge or rising wedge, and that's a little concerning. Although we are breaking above that, and breaking above rising wedges are usually parabolic. Yeah, there's a bear bull flag right here. So if we do break break above, and we're gonna go to this 113K right here. Close, right? Slightly there, yeah. 110, anywhere 110 is my target. Right, but Stokes are still doing well. Now, only concern is this RSI is decreasing, price is increasing. So we have, if you look at this high and our current high, this bearish divergence right there, signaling that in more longer time frame we are gonna get some pullback. Okay, so that is something to watch out for. Obviously there's still an hour to this candle, but I don't really see this RSI going all the way past what is it, should be 78, right? So right now we're at 65, so it's possible, but it's unlikely that we get past 78 for the 4 hour. Now for the 1 hour, the extreme high is we're at 100 for the Stokes, so that's bound to come back. So I would really take profit now. I wouldn't be too greedy about it. A lot of tokens are all in the green, these are just slight pullbacks, right? Now 60.78 is what I wanted to see for the Bitcoin dominance. We have actually pulled below it at our point, but as long as we're above the 60% range right here, we're good to go. Now Ethereum's not doing too well. Dominance is going down because everybody's going to Bitcoin, and you see the gain for total 1 versus total 2. There's a lot more going into Bitcoin, obviously. Why wouldn't you at this point in time? So that's just a brief analysis on what the price would be. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do, right? You could do volume profile, see the supply, support and resistances. There's no resistance so far, so we have strong support at 91. And if you want, you can pull a fib, right? There's a lot of things you can do, but I feel we're on the right track right now. Let's do a fib for fun. Where should we do it from? Let's do it from here. Do it from here all the way to where we are right now. Let's take a look at this. All right. So fib is, so anything that tells us anything is, well, there are these levels here to watch out for. 88, I would say, yeah, 88 to 90. That's a lot of support here. Golden ratio, we're at 70. Well, golden ratio is at 77K. You see, well, this 65% level is also very strong, right? You have support here. Now, if we do an extension, I believe, does this one do it? I wanna do something with this there's normally a fib extension, right? I don't think there is for this one. I mean, I can add this here. No, it's not right here. Extend left. Yeah. Let's delete this. And we should be going extension right here. So same from here to here. Okay, 1.618. So you see this level here is what my target is at. It's right in between my target. So now we can even do a range of targets. So this will be 100 to 113k target. So that's what I'm looking at for the next week or so, or 2 weeks. Right, that coincides with my previous analysis about 6 days ago, and we're on the right track. So fibs are matching what I'm saying. What do you guys think? Comment below, and make sure you join and subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Right, we're on X. We're also on Telegram, on LinkedIn, and you can check out our website if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next video.